Welcome to the Cleveland Asian Festival, where we celebrate Asian culture, unity, community in AsiaTown. Every year, our awesome green team rallies everyone to turn the festival into a near-zero waste blast. You can jump in super easily. Just follow these fun steps to keep our event sustainable and our planet thriving. Why sustainability matters. Big festivals like the Cleveland Asian Festival generate lots of waste from delicious foods, colorful decorations, and packaging in AsiaTown. By reducing, reusing, and recycling together, we can slash landfill waste and conserve resources, right in our Cleveland community. Your simple action keep our cultural celebration greener for years to come. Here's what goes where. For the compost bin, food and organics. Food scraps like fruit peels, vegetable trimmings, bread, rice, and leftovers. Food soiled paper. Napkins, paper plates, uncoated takeout boxes, and coffee filters. Compostable items, such as bamboo chopsticks or wooden stirrers, no plastics. Keep it clean to avoid contamination. For the recycling bin, clean, dry materials. Clean cans, plastic bottles, and aluminum foil. Dry paper, flattened cardboard boxes, and newspapers. No food residue, liquids, plastic bags, or styrofoam. For the trash bin, landfill only. Everything else, non-recyclable plastics, soiled non-compostables, and diapers. Items not fit in compost or recycling guidelines. So spread the word. Share your green actions on social media with the hashtags #CAFGreenTeam and CAF 2026 CLE. Tag us to inspire others.